I'm going to show you how to make the smoothie berry beet. Ooh, Ethan, I smell a good smoothie. Ooh, that looks good. Smoothie expert, and I'm going to show you how to make the smoothie berry beet. This is what you need: strawberries, vanilla almond milk, or like almond milk, beets, and honey and flaxseed. Now I'm going to put it in. Bing, 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 bing. The honey. This is great. I love to look at this. I'm gonna put flaxseed. The first one I did is honey milk. You could put the whole entire batch. You could put half for the whole entire. You could have red fingers, but I don't like red fingers. Strawberries, a lot of strawberries. You could put the whole entire thing or not. Then put all of the milk or half. Milk is my favorite. Now it's time to blend. I'm gonna blend it. Oh. Very heavy. I'm just gonna try. Yeah. Ooh. Let's see what it is. Ooh. Tastes like strawberries. Only tastes like strawberries. Tastes very good. Ooh, maybe $1. That's right. Wow. Wow. Look! I'm not even standing on my tippy toes. Got it. The color looks like purple and pink mixed together. It looks like light pink. It looks beautiful. Ethan, I smell a good smoothie. Ooh, that looks good. Want to drop it? If you drop it.
It's pretty nice, Maddox. It's really nice. It tastes like a little bit with beets and a little bit with strawberries. It's definitely a berry beet. You know, like it's such a huge explosion of blastness and deliciousness.
Well, I think you saw what the ingredients are. I thought.
I'm gonna guess what the ingredients are. I think there's strawberries, of course.
Yes.
Ooh. A little bit of honey.
Yes.
And beets.
Beets, yeah, but there's more.
Oh, there's more?
Uh-huh.
I'm stumped. Can you tell me?
Flaxseed.
Ooh, flaxseed.
And vanilla almond milk.
Ooh, vanilla almond milk. I love vanilla and I love almond milk. Wow.
Vanilla is like great with ice cream and chocolate.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Like vanilla is such a good flavor. Like comment down below what do you think is your favorite flavor of ice cream. Vanilla, chocolate, cotton candy. Comment down below what's your favorite flavor of ice cream. Like my favorite is like something like chocolate.
My favorite is cotton candy.
He's definitely a cotton candy fan. Just like his mom.
Which one is your favorite? Chocolate, vanilla, or cotton candy ice cream?
For me, I definitely go with chocolate. Back to the smoothie. It tastes good, right, Maddox?
Yeah, it tastes
magnificent.
It tastes like all of the stuff I put in there.
Mamma mia, it's good. Mamma mia.
Mamma mia. that cold. Tastes so good. Tastes so good. Tastes so good. Muscle.
Oh boy.
Muscle. Make sure you subscribe,
Comment down below,
and hit the bell.
and make sure you're notified in all the videos we do. And don't forget to watch some of my videos where I show you some baking and cooking skills. Maddox, the smoothie expert, is going to show you some smoothies like he did today. And probably there's going to be some new kinds of episodes coming up.
Maybe
Not just smoothies. He's probably going to do some juicing coming up.
Yes.
We don't know.
We don't know.
All right, we'll see ya in the next video.
Bye.
Yeah.
This is what you need. Strawberries, almond milk, beets, and honey, and flaxseed.
Wait, I'm gonna pick him up. I'm gonna see if I can pick him up.
No, don't.
Wait, no, get on my back. Get on my back.
Yeah!